A decentralized data system and blockchain solution. Well, today we're talking about Inery. But before we do that, make sure you're doing research, figure out this project is for you. So we're going to talk what this project is all about, kind of go over their solutions, what they're offering. We'll talk a little bit about their token that's powering this whole entire ecosystem and the great utility it has. But if you guys are interested, definitely follow them on their socials. At the end of the video, I'll talk about how you guys can be involved if you guys choose to do so. So let's go Inery. Obviously, data security and privacy is super important to users and companies. They said 93% of users want to be in control of information. They don't want it to be in the hands of big companies out there. So Inery is doing a bunch of things to make sure that that happens. So we'll talk a little bit about what they offer, their database, their blockchain, and how that kind of compares with others out there, which I definitely think something that you guys will be interested in. So I'll kind of start with the Inery database. Some of the main features of it is decentralized, immutable. It's a distributed database and it has owner-controlled data assets. You'll see why this is important when we compare this to some of its competitors out there. Spoiler, they offer a lot of great things over their competition, which definitely makes them stand out. We'll also talk a little bit about all the different things that the team is doing. Exciting stuff on the roadmap, but let's dive into the Inery database and talk about the different features of it. So the database itself is, like I said, decentralized, immutable. It has a really fast way to make sure that data gets processed, and of course it's secure and affordable, which is definitely important. Some of the features that it has is a web GUI. They also communicate with a bunch of different languages: C++, C#, JavaScript, all the major ones. Check out their website for more. So they have web GUI. You could communicate with pretty much any other program language out there. They have the full list, but it's C++, C#, Java, JavaScript, Python. Definitely awesome. They also have things like value contracts, and they also have a powerful query API as well, if that is something that's interesting to you. Another interesting thing that I think you guys would like to know about is obviously their blockchain. Definitely a lot of features for it. It's hybrid, public or private chain. It's DAO governed. They're cross-chain and operable, which is great. It is proof of stake, which is definitely important. They also have high speed and low cost. And then some of the features of it, some of these things that you are known to appreciate from some of the best blockchains. So they have an explorer to track some of the activity. They have a wallet for key pair vault for secure storage. They have an API. And they also have a DApp. So if you guys are interested in developing and hosting your own decentralized app, you can do that. And then again, if that's interesting to you, you can learn more about the testnet benefits on the website. But some of them are like a reward system. You could learn by doing, where if you learn about blockchain, going through the documentation, you can learn how to build with Inery today. You could test the apps, write, compile, and deploy. And then, of course, you could also test your infrastructure as well. So again, if you guys want to learn more about this, definitely check out their website. They have a ton of information on there. I love all the charts that they have on there to kind of comparing. You could see not only how fast their blockchain is, but also how energy efficient it is. So that's great. And if you want to learn more about their team, you can hear it directly from their CEO. Again, they have a great team behind this. Definitely a lot of experience in marketing, blockchain, which is awesome. One of the main parts I like about the website is they do have use cases. And they take it from the front of from different industries, so enterprise and governments, financial institutions, GameFi and healthcare, really making it so that Inery is usable and useful to no matter what industry you're in. So that's great. Definitely check out their roadmap. They've been around since 2020, but they do have a lot of improvements coming in the near future. So if you guys have any questions on this, you could definitely check that out on the frequently asked questions. But again, if you guys have anything that you want clarification on, definitely reach out to them individually. They're very active on all their socials. Twitter is a great place to learn about some of the latest developments with them. Definitely give them a follow. They just announced a collaboration collaboration with Metavast Capital to bring true decentralization to GameFi. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on that partnership. It's definitely great that they're doing all these things and definitely helping out all these different industries. They're definitely offering a solution that's unique. But if you guys are interested, definitely check out their blog. That's definitely a great place to learn more about what they have to offer. And one thing that's really cool about that is you can learn about the token that's powering this whole entire ecosystem, and that is called the INR token, and it has a ton of utility already. So they help secure the blockchain via staking. If you're a token holder, you could stake and become a node in the system and earn that way. It's also used for exchanging to access the database itself, and again, everything, all the different product and services within the ecosystem as well. They even have a cool grant program that they reward INR token as well. So again, if you want to learn more about their database, their blockchain, the token, or even the team behind this, definitely check out the website. I put the link in the description. But thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time.